Going live.
Hello, everyone. I'm Arpita. So it's Saturday today, and it's a lovely morning in Nashville. It's a bit gloomy. It's clouded, and but yeah, I love this weather. And of course, I mean, I know you are waiting for us, right? And so are we. We are waiting to meet you, and we are waiting our celebrity artists to meet all of us and talk about their journey and a lot more things. So, good afternoon from USA and to all our viewers here and all around the world. Good evening to India, Bangladesh. I'm Arpita Garud, hosting the FB Live program for NRBnews24.com, welcoming you all to our talk show with our celebrity artist. We are honored to have today with us Cyrus Dastur. Cyrus is a name synonymous with the short film space in India, having virtually kick-started it almost a decade back. Cyrus is also a respected producer, having produced a Bollywood feature film, a TV series, and has successfully produced two musical productions, Strangers in the Night and The Names Bond. The founder of Shamiana, Asia's largest short film company. Shamiana is Asia's largest and fastest growing short film company and is proud to boast of an international presence in Melbourne and Hong Kong and also in more than 15 cities in India. So today we are, talking about Shamiana, which is Cyrus initiative. So even Shamiana works closely with some of the finest schools as its educational initiative. And so we'll get to know more about Shamiana and about short films with Cyrus. Here we also have another celebrity artist with us, Ranajoy Bhattacharjee. So over to you, Arijit. Tell us about Ranajoy.
Thank you, Orpita. Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction about Cyrus. And first of all, I'd like to express my heartfelt thanks to Cyrus Dastur and Ranajay Bhattacharya for being with us for the
Glad,
show
glad to be here.
tonight
Yeah,
in the morning
thanks.
in USA. They are the wonderful people, and they are just not the celebrities, but wonderful. They are wonderful human being, humble human being, and they are people. The man, they are the man of many hats. So I'll just introduce now Ranajay. Ranajay Bhattacharya is a very popular name in the music scene of Tollywood and Bollywood industry of Kolkata and Mumbai. Some of his significant works have been mentioned. Created music for Anurag Basu directed TV series Stories by Rabindranath Tagore, working on a lot of upcoming Hindi and Bengali films and independent original music as composer. Worked as a singer, composer, and songwriter in Bengali movie recently, Sweater and Pindo received Best Lyricist Award at Flames and Frames Digital Award 2020 for Preme Pora Barun from the movie Sweater. Before I go to Ranaja, once again, I'd like to have Cyrus say something to our viewers.
Hello, sir. Good,
Hi,
good
Cyrus.
afternoon
Can you hear me?
to all. Yeah, I can hear you, sir. Hi. Good afternoon, and thank you for having me on the show. And what a pleasure to be on the show with you and Arpita, and lots of love to Ranajoy as well. So thank you, sir, once again for having me.
Okay, so
Uh,
Cyrus, let's start now with the question. So here we go. We would like to know about the child Cyrus, to the men who made a mark in the Indian industry, and who is the founder of eminent Shamiana Short Film Club. The journey in short for eagerly awaited viewers.
Thank you, Arpita. When I actually hear all these beautiful compliments and epithets coming from wonderful people like all of y'all, sometimes when I look back and I start thinking, I think I have done something at least. People are talking about it, but I just think it's been a very exciting, eventful journey for me. It's been a 12-year long journey. I still remember we started on a rainy evening on the 7th of June 2008. We launched Shamiana in the current avatar with a screening at Jazz by the Bay in Marine Drive in Bombay. Uh, it's a very iconic place for anybody who's been to the city. And from one city to another, to another, to another, to another, and the things just started moving on. And when I look back, and sometimes I wonder, oh my God, it's actually been 12 long years, more than 3,000 screenings, collaborating with practically every exciting reputed brand there is in India or in the world. There's just too many brands, whether it's Levi's, whether it's Star Movies, whether it's the Taj Group of Hotels, whether it's banks, corporations, mobile companies,
Wow.
automobile companies. Uh, God has just been kind, Honestly, when I look back and now when I'm naming all these brands, I actually start thinking, अरे हाँ यार इसके साथ भी किया है उसके साथ भी किया है. So yeah, the roster is not that bad. I think if people need to tell me how exciting the journey has, or should I say how impactful the brand Shamiana has been for them. But like
Of
you said,
course,
I
even
still
I
have
am. I've been following Shamiana, and you know, we know each other for I guess 4 years.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, very much.
Yes.
So now that you're
I
telling
loved the
me, I
concept.
was
You know,
wondering.
when I attended the first meeting, I loved this
Thank you,
concept.
thank you, Arpita, thank you. And it took you 4 long years to have me on your beautiful show. That's my complaint. But yeah, jokes apart. Yeah, I mean,
I'm so sorry for
I,
that.
I I'm just pulling your leg. I think I have the right to pull your leg. I'm just joking. But yeah, when I look back, I don't think I've done too badly in the last 12 years with Charlie, and it's been a nice journey. I don't think I would trade it with anything else. I wish certain things would have happened faster. I wish things wouldn't have taken so much time. But one thing I would like to say is that when you are doing a concept like Shamiana in a country like India, where we are not really big on concepts, let's be very
Yeah.
honest. Most of the businesses that work in India are either copy paste businesses that are happening in different parts of the world or are the traditional businesses. You won't really
True.
hear of a concept story coming up. Let's be very, 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 very honest about that. We don't really have a concept story coming out of India. तो यहाँ पे लोगों को समझने में काफी टाइम लग जाता है. तो उसमें क्या होता है, the journey, the whole struggle just becomes longer. And I think
True.
that's really one of the reasons why a lot of people don't try new concepts, because they know it's a very thankless.
They should first try and come.
Yeah, I think people. Okay, viewers can't. Okay, can you hear me? Arpita, can
Yeah,
you hear me
it's
clearly?
like a deep. No, no, a deep. You know, you can increase the voice volume.
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. Thank you, Arijit, for pointing this out. In case if you still can't hear me, please feel free to tell me. Sometimes the internet really isn't very happy with me, so it just kind of tries to act a little odd. But yeah, I try to be as loud and as clear. Hindi and English. Yeah. Yes, Arijit. तो मुझे लगता है सॉरी सॉरी तो मुझे लगता है शायद इन इंडिया वी नीड टू एनकरेज कॉन्सेप्ट स्टोरी, ओरिजिनल कॉन्सेप्ट, ताकि और लोग कुछ नया कर सकें. और
Hmm.
शायद जो आने वाले लोग हैं जो कुछ नया सोचेंगे, मे बी द स्ट्रगल इज शॉर्टर देन व्हाट माइन वाज. बट ठीक है यार, somebody said,
Yes, of course.
uh,
Pioneers के लिए थोड़ा स्ट्रगल ज्यादा होता है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. और स्ट्रगल में एक अपना ही मजा है. मतलब कभी कभी
Of course.
रास्ते इतने अच्छे होते हैं कि आप मंजिल को इतनी जल्दी पहुंचना नहीं चाहते.
Wow.
तो तो, तो मंजिल तक
Yes,
कौन जाना चाहता है.
I agree. I agree. So, Cyrus, you made a Bollywood debut as a producer with your first Hindi film, Sweetie Desai Vets NRI,
करेक्ट
जो 2007
करेक्ट
में I
करेक्ट
guess
करेक्ट.
release हुई थी. and then Bolti Band, and then
2017.
Kash. Yeah, 2017, right? Yeah. So and then Bolti Band, and then Kash. So how did all these things happen?
Sweetie Beth Amara was a feature film. Bolti
Hmm.
Band and Kash, which I've also seen, I think both of them. तो ये दोनों शॉर्ट फिल्म्स रही हैं. So I'd just
Okay.
like to let your viewers know कि स्वीटी में जनारा एक बॉलीवुड फीचर फिल्म थी जो तकरीबन 1100 स्क्रीन में रिलीज हुई थी. एंड इट वाज
Hmm.
अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस जब आप फर्स्ट फिल्म करते हो. और आजकल
Yeah.
तो काफी लोग जानते हैं कि जब आप एक आउटसाइडर हैं, शायद रविजय साहब यू माइट एग्री विद मी, बट व्हेन यू आर एन आउटसाइडर लाइक आई एम, आई मीन कंप्लीट आउटसाइडर आपके पास. मेरा कोई भी सगे वाला रिश्तेदार भाई बंधु कोई भी इस फील्ड में नहीं है.
Uh,
ठीक है, आई मीन दैट्स ओके, नो नो कंप्लेन. बट जब आप एक आउटसाइडर होते हो तो यू नो एक अलग ही प्रकार की स्ट्रगल होती है आपकी, विच इज ओके. आई मीन कोई कोई गिला शिकवा नहीं है, कोई शिकायत नहीं है किसी से, बट या तो एक अलग स्ट्रगल थी जब आप फीचर फिल्म बनाते हो, फीचर फिल्म रिलीज करते हो. अच्छी फिल्म रही भगवान की दया से, ऊपर वाले का कर्म है कि मतलब फिल्म 1100 स्क्रीन पर रिलीज हुई. फिल्म काफ़ी लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट भी की. लेकिन मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि द काइंड ऑफ रिलीज दैट यू वुड हैव वांटेड, और जितना सिनेमाज हमको स्क्रीन जिस टाइमिंग में और जो मतलब हमारे फेवर में जो कंडीशन हो सकते थे, उतने नहीं थे. उतने नहीं थे. और उसके बाद कुछ बातें थी सेकंड फिल्म बनाने की. तो अब देखते हैं, एज आई सेड व्हेन यू आर एन आउटसाइडर और आपका कोई भी कनेक्शन नहीं रहता, या तो आप किसी के रिश्तेदार हो, या तो आपकी किसी स्टार के साथ अगर पहचान हो, या फिर आप यू नो भगवान का हाथ हो आप पे, तो आपकी जर्नी काफ़ी आसान हो जाती है. वरना इट इज़ अ जर्नी. बट अगेन
Cyrus has lost a connection, I guess. Would like
uh,
to go with.
Ranaja. Yes, Ranajoy, before I start the question answer session with you, I'd like to have you sing something for the audience. যেটা ভালো লাগবে, যেটা মনে হবে, whatever you feel comfortable. প্রেমে পড়া বারণ is one of the best as far as the odd like viewers all around the globe, they are listening to you time and again. So can you just start with that?
Yeah, sure. Then what else? We can start with Preme Podabaran.
Yes,
Can you
sorry,
hear
yes,
me?
sorry,
That
absolutely.
apologies.
keyboard sound and all? প্রেমে পড়া বারণ, করুণে অকরুণ, আঙুলে আঙুল রাখলে ও হাত ধরা বারণ। প্রেমে পড়া বারণ, করুণে অকরুণ, আঙুলে আঙুল রাখলে ও হাত ধরা বারণ। প্রেমে পড়া বারণ। তোমায় যত গল্প বলার ছিল, তোমায় যত গল্প বলার ছিল, সব পাপড়ি হয়ে গাছের পাশে ছড়িয়ে রয়েছিল। দাওনি তুমি আমায় সেসব কুড়িয়ে নেওয়ার কোনো কারণ। প্রেমে পড়া বারণ, কারণে অকারণ। ওই মায়া চোখে চোখ রাখলেও ফিরে তাকানো বারণ। প্রেমে পড়া বারণ। শূন্যে ভাসি রাত্রি এখনো গুনি তোমার আমার নৌকা বাওয়ার শব্দ এখনো শুনি শূন্যে ভাসি রাত্রি এখনো গুনি তোমার আমার নৌকা বাওয়ার শব্দ এখনো শুনি তাই মুখ লুকিয়ে ঠোঁট ফুলিয়ে বসন্তের এই স্মৃতিচারণ প্রেমে পড়া বারণ কারণে অকারণ মনে পড়লেও আজকে তোমায় মনে করা বারণ প্রেমে পড়া বারণ
Fantastic. Kichu.
Thank you so
I
much.
have nothing to say. Cyrus, I am sure you
Rana Joy,
must
but
be
I
enjoying.
have one thing to say to Rana
Yeah,
Joy.
sure.
I have told you, I guess, yesterday, this song is in my loop nowadays.
Yeah,
Uh,
thank you.
Ronaja, before I
Although I
proceed,
don't understand the lyrics, I'm so sorry. But
uh,
yeah, I love
I
the
will
mood.
explain you the lyrics someday. I will explain you.
Oh wow, that's so good. That's so sweet of you. But yeah, the composition and the mood of the song. Yeah, I just love it. In fact,
Thank you.
I posted this song on my story, Instagram story, and one of my friends, South Indian friends, he said this is so melodious, and even he didn't know the lyrics.
Yeah,
no,
there are this song. Yeah, yeah, tell me.
yeah. No, Ronaja, you continue. It's
This
your
song
show.
because I wanted to say this song. I am getting covers of Preme Pada Baron from across like every region. Like Marathi people are singing, from South people are singing, lot of non-Bengali people. I keep sharing on my Insta and Facebook. Lot of people Bengal, so of course, matlab,
Yeah.
it's a huge response, but not lot of non-Bengali people sings this song.
This song, I would say, Premi Pora Barun is like don't fall in love.
You
But
told
No,
me that first
it's
time.
that Preme Pada Baron means you are forbidden to fall in love.
forbidden to fall in love. That's the right
Yeah,
word to say.
falling in love
Uh,
is forbidden kind of thing.
yes, falling in love is forbidden. So, Cyrus, we will come back to you. But before that, Ronojoy, before I start asking you one more like a question, I'd like to have one Bollywood song from you, one more, and then we will start.
Yeah, sure. mm, mm. It's a very. This song is my favorite, one of my most favorite songs.
Okay.
फिर ले आया मजबूर क्या कीजिए रासना रहना दूर क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है करते हैं आज कबूल क्या कीजिए हो गई थी जो हमसे भूल क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उससे मुसलसल कर भी आओ वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है, वो जो दबी सी आँच बाकी है, वो जो दबी सी आँच बाकी है, वो जो दबी सी आँच बाकी है, हाय। किस्मत को है ये मंजूर, क्या कीजिए। गपनी सारे नीरे नी दा मदा पा, किस्मत को है ये मंजूर, क्या कीजिए। मिलते रहे बदस्तूर, क्या कीजिए। दिल कह रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ, वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है, वो जो दबी सी आँच बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी चाह बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है, हाय।
Awesome,
Wow.
awesome. This is super. I have nothing to say. Now এটার পরে আমার কিছু সত্যি আসছে না কথা. You are so good. This is
Thank
so
you, thank you.
melodious. Your voice has
My
so
pleasure.
much depth. এত সুন্দর লাগছিল শুনতে. I'll go to Arpita. Arpita, you start the question to Ranajay.
Yeah, so Ranajay, actually, I was lost in this song so much. Now I'm, I woke up now. Yeah, it was so good, and I guess you said it's your favorite, but I guess Cyrus, Arijit, you would agree this is all of us favorite
Yeah,
song,
it's a
right?
brilliant song. It's a brilliant
Yeah,
song.
it's a brilliant
No
song.
words.
Yeah, and when I was reading about you, and I was discussing about you, so one question which comes in everyone's mind about you, exceptionally bright student Ranajoy to a high profile techie, leaving IT job, a lavish IT job, then to making a mark in showbiz industry. So the men of the movement with back-to-back hit in movies like Sweater, Hrid Pindo. We are eager to know about this journey.
This journey is quite interesting. Actually, I was into music from my childhood. Since the age of 5, I have been learning music. So I started learning Indian classical and Nazrul Giti. Then I used to be a singer at that time. Firstly, I started
Oh,
singing. So, but some compositional, some creative soul I used to have from the beginning. I didn't know that, but I later I realized that. So from childhood, I used to write short poems, short stories. जैसे लिखते हैं सब मतलब बच्चे लोग, हाँ. तो then I at the point of at the age of like 14 15, when I was in 9th standard 8th standard, I realized I have a like knack to creating things, creating music or writing things rather than performing. Matlab I was performing already, but my main focus was onto creating. So then I realized, but I don't have any musician in my family. because
Okay.
like Cyrus said, okay, I don't have anyone in the industry or something like, but
Likewise,
my,
even I don't have any artist in my family.
yeah, but my family, my parents, my sisters, and matlab, all my family members are very musical. They are very supportive to music, and they used to, like, they give importance to music a lot, because I used to wake up in the morning listening to old Muhammad Rafi, Geeta Dutt, Manna De, Hemant Kumar, all classics. Every day I used to wake up listening to this in radio or either in cassette or cassette player. So music was into me automatically, matlab. And then at the point of time when I reached at age of 20, around college, I realized that slowly I was realizing that I should do something with music, but I don't know how. uh, but I have to do something in music. Then I got placed in IT job. Then I realized that how like tough for me to do an IT job. Being a creative mind, it's very tough. So I couldn't manage, and I then parallelly I was searching for people who would help me in like getting professional contacts and all. So slowly, so that I can slowly get into the professional zone, but I didn't find anyone. So I got small helps from different people, but not that much. So that not that much I can leave the job. So in 2013 I realized that if this keep on happening, I cannot pursue music ever, because I cannot do two things. I have to choose one.
True.
So I decided, and I left that job, and I like started pursuing full time music. But then I was in Kolkata for 6 7 months, but it was not happening properly. So I didn't know, okay, from where to start, whom to approach, whom to contact, and all. So I thought that if I have to start, I have to shift to Bombay. So then in 2014 I shifted to Bombay, and I started everything from Bombay. Matlab, whatever I am doing now, that's everything because of Bombay, because I'm very grateful to Bombay. So because everything happened there. So and yeah, it's जैसे साइरस ने बोला है कि struggle is fun. Struggle is not that वो जो painful, and not that for me at least. It's fun, but yes, of course, I didn't have anyone in the industry, so I had to make contacts. I वो करना पड़ा मुझे. I made that, and slowly, but Bombay is a beautiful place, because Bombay people are so helpful. If you do good work, people, for me it happened, okay, if people see something good in me, they automatically referred my name to some five more people. That is very important thing for an upcoming
Yeah, that's of course,
artist.
that's important.
Yeah, that's very important.
That's important here, Ronojoy. Now that you have raised that line that I don't have any backup in the like the industry. So now we were off late recently hearing a lot about nepotism. So I'd
Hmm.
like to open that question to both of you, Cyrus and Ronojoy. How do you feel about the nepotism thing which is going on? I think I'll like to hear first from Cyrus on that. Cyrus, can you? Yes. आप
Yeah. Can you hear
आपको
me, sir? Can you hear me?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा लाउड कर दीजिए आपका
Hello. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
यस
Arpita,
ठीक है
Ankit sir, can you hear me?
हाँ 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 ठीक है यस
Hello, you can hear me, right?
या
Yeah.
आई कैन
Yeah. Thank you. So, sir, मुझे लगता है nepotism. Yeah. Yeah. So, nepotism is a very very real problem. और मुझे लगता है कि nepotism has only gotten worse in the last few years. नेपोटिज्म के बारे में हम 80s और 90s में भी सुनते थे, But if you see the last, especially in the last 1 decade, nepotism has actually become such a big problem कि कई बार आप जो बाहर वाले लोग होते हैं सर, उनके लिए it becomes very difficult to get work or even try and do work. और लोगों को लगता है कि नेपोटिज्म का मतलब ये है कि भैया आप बाहर वाले हो इसलिए आपको हीरो का चांस नहीं मिलेगा. So nepotism isn't just about not giving work to outsiders. It is also about refusing a level playing field to outsiders. Arjit sir, can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello.
perfect, perfect, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I'm
perfect.
saying it's not. Yeah. So yeah. I'm saying it's not about denying opportunities as an artist. That is not just nepotism. Nepotism also is to deny you a level playing field. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपकी एक फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली होती है, तो अगर आप एक इंसाइडर हो, इफ यू आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट सो कॉल्ड गैंग और सर्कल और फिल्म फैमिली, देन द वे योर फिल्म विल बी रिलीज, जितने आपको स्क्रीन मिलेंगे, जितने शोज मिलेंगे, जो आपको एक्सेस मिलेगा काफ़ी चीज़ों में, दैट इज ऑल वेरी वेरी ईजी. आई गिव यू वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. लोगों को लग रहा होगा नेपोटिज्म ठीक है भैया, लोग मतलब वो 4 एग्जाम्पल लेके बैठ जाते हैं कि कार्तिक आर्यन भी तो बाहर वाला है, फलाना भी तो बाहर वाला है, धमाका भी तो बाहर वाला है, तो इनको अगर चांस मिल रहा है तो नेपोटिज्म कहाँ है भैया. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक वन स्वॉलो डज नॉट अ समर मेक. तो एक एक्सेप्शन से रूल नहीं बन जाता. एंड सेकंड थिंग इज प्लीज रिमेंबर कि मतलब नेपोटिज्म also means denying a lot of minor opportunities to outsiders which you may not see by the naked eye.
I think Cyrus is breaking up. I'll just go to the same question for Ronajay.
Yeah, I think nepotism. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
I
I
think
got disconnected. Sorry.
Cyrus, in between, I just went to Ronajay because you got disconnected. He'll come back to you again.
Sorry. Yeah.
no problem. No problem. I think it's there for a long time. Nepotism is there for a long time, and it's everywhere. It's there everywhere because in every field, in whatever field we see, in music, in corporate, in sports, every there is nepotism everywhere to some extent, and it's sometimes it's a bit harmful, but I think more than nepotism, it's favoritism. I think it's
Right.
that is the main thing, because if I have seen there people generally have the tendency to work with people whom they are comfortable with and whom they know, okay, earlier. So it's very natural instinct that people, it's I have seen it that people cannot trust a newcomer easily, okay. There is a trust issue. So people are like comfort, everyone has a team, in that team they work in that team, and you just have to make team, you just have to meet good people, you have just to meet good souls so that you can connect with them and you can work together. In this way I take it, because I don't take it very negatively, or uh,
How did
because
you feel being in the industry?
it's been like as other people,
Like you
because
have faced, favoritism or nepotism or whatever term we wanna give it.
nepotism I don't face it personally.
Mhm.
Favoritism though, it's obvious, everyone works with their own people and everyone works with their own team always,
I,
it's there always.
Yes, you are right. Ranoja, I will take it from here as what you mentioned, nepotism, favoritism. It's not just because of the industry or the music industry or the Bollywood. I think
Just
it's
in corporate.
applicable for the all industry,
Yes, all
uh,
industries.
Absolutely,
from corporate
absolutely.
to everywhere. That's the summation I can derive from this. And Cyrus, sorry for disrupt that time you got disconnected. I'd like to hear back from you once again.
apologies, my internet connection is sometimes a little tricky. But I would like to say, you can hear me, right?
Yes,
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 yes.
you can.
Hello, can you
Yeah.
hear me clearly?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I want to say that a lot of times, yeah. So there is this one argument which people make कि अरे डॉक्टर का बेटा भी डॉक्टर ही बनता है, इंजीनियर का बेटा भी इंजीनियर ही बनता है, तो एक्टर का बेटा एक्टर बनता है, उसमें क्या गलती है? बट व्हाट पीपल मिस आउट is that to become a doctor you need to go to a medical college, and you cannot
Right.
call up the college and say my child is a doctor, उसको डॉक्टर बना दो. यहाँ पे तो आप देख रहे हैं 90% ऑफ द एक्टर्स daughters are coming there, sorry to say, but I don't think deserve to be there. And I'm not trying to put down people, but people keep talking about how talented Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor is. सर आप कभी अंधेरे में आके देखिए, there are a million girls who are more good looking than Alia Bhatt. उनको चांस मिलेगा? मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, उनको चांस मिलेगा? सिर्फ इस बात पे है
आप जो
सर, टैलेंट.
या आप
एंड
बोले
सर
The start, the beginning.
एंड वन थिंग, टैलेंट इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव सर. इनका टैलेंट तभी दिखता है जब इनको अच्छे मेकर्स और अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है. बेचारे कितने अच्छे लोगों को तो आधा सीन नहीं मिलता.
साइरस
दिस
साहब,
इज
आपको
व्हाट.
एक इधर में हम बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर आलिया भट्ट या हो और जो भी हो, जो ये तो सिर्फ लाइक देखने के लिए तो ज्यादा दिन रह नहीं पाएंगे ना इंडस्ट्री में. आपको तो टैलेंट होना चाहिए. टैलेंट अगर नहीं होगा तो लॉन्ग टर्म यू कांट हैव इट. सो दैट्स देयर. सो
Sir,
आई
sir,
थिंक
sir,
दैट्स
sir, I would like no, I would like, sir, I would like to add one thing, and which most people don't realize. In media, access to opportunities is more important than merit. Access is more important, sir. इसलिए आप देखते हैं कई बार मीडिया पर लोग भी क्यों आगे निकलते हैं, बिकॉज उनको एक्सेस है. बेचारे कई लोगों को तो एक्सेस ही नहीं मिलता सर. कई लोगों को
एकदम
तो
सही.
एक्सेस ही नहीं मिलता.
एकदम
आपको
सही.
लगता
आई
है
थिंक Akita
रणबीर.
would agree with what Cyrus is saying.
Yes, of course.
Is
I
the
mean, the platform which
Yes, yes.
Alia got in first movie, or Janvi got in first movie, I guess वो प्लेटफॉर्म एक न्यू कमर को नहीं मिलेगा. अगर
सर
जानवी
आलिया
ने जो मूवी
भट्ट
की फर्स्ट मूवी, वो किसी न्यू कमर को मिलती इजीली नहीं मिल पाती, आई गेस. आई मीन, जस्ट एन एग्जांपल, जस्ट एन
इजी
एग्जांपल.
200%. मैं आपको ब्लैंक स्टैम्प पेपर पे लिख के देता हूँ, किसी न्यू कमर को ऐसा लॉन्च मिल ही नहीं सकता. बिकॉज देर आर गैंग्स दैट ऑपरेट which make it impossible. I'm not even going to use the word difficult, which make it impossible for good talent to come up. That is why if you see the quality of talent that has come in cinema is very, very, very substandard, sir. Is very, very, very substandard. I mean, you look at the quality of films that we are making. Where is it? Where is it? Some of the finest cinema is actually coming out from independent filmmakers. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ सर. मैं उस फिल्म
True.
मेकर का नाम नहीं दूंगा, बट देयर इज अ फिल्म मेकर, बेचारा ही टुक 7 to 8 years of struggle to make his first film. और उस 7-8 साल के बाद उसने बोला यार इतना मैंने अपने साल गवा दिए, आई डोंट थिंक दिस करियर डिजर्व्स टू मच ब्लड एंड स्वेट फ्रॉम मी. क्योंकि आप अपनी फिल्म बनाते हो और बेचारे को दुख की बात यह है, जब फिल्म वॉज अ गुड फिल्म. आपने शायद उस फिल्म का नाम सुना होगा, मैं फिल्म का नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, मैं फिल्म का नाम नहीं लेना चाहता. द फिल्म वॉज अ वेरी वेरी गुड फिल्म. लेकिन उस फिल्म को क्या हुआ सर, 2 या 3 दिन की मुश्किल से नहीं रिलीज हुई. एंड फिल्म क्रिटिक्स सेड वाओ वाओ वाओ. लेकिन मार कहाँ खा जाते हैं सर, जब आपको बराबर स्क्रीन नहीं मिले, जब आपको बराबर प्रमोशन चाहिए. तो मैं आपको मेरा एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. जब मेरी फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली थी, मेरी फिल्म का म्यूजिक कंपनी डिड नॉट रिफ्यूज. एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग म्यूजिक कंपनी, शायद नाम जानते होंगे सब लोग. It's a very big music company. They refused to promote the music before the release of the. They refused to promote the music of the film before the release of the film. And वही गाने जब YouTube पे चले हैं, मैं आपको लिंक दे दूंगा. वही गाने जब YouTube पे चले तो 150 मिलियन प्लस व्यूज आए हैं. उस गाने को, वो गाना इतना अच्छा था कि आतिफ असलम, अरिजीत सिंह both sang the song free of cost. This was the caliber of music that we created. I was personally involved in the music. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं personally था, मैं आपको गाने भेजूंगा. The music company, अरे सर अगर गाना खराब है तो let the public decide. This is how nepotism
True,
works. Sir.
true.
नेपोटिज्म का
Very
मतलब
true.
I,
है कि आपको हटा के जानवी कपूर जैसी डफर को लेके आ। नेपोटिज्म का मतलब ये है कि बाहर वालों की बूथ मारो और उनको अंदर आने ही मत दो। That is the reason why people are just not getting an opportunity, sir.
हम सहमत है एक इसके बारे में या यू आर राइट कंप्लीटली बट like always the longer you go the talent you have the longer you can go. That's what I personally feel. फिर आएंगे but before that Ronoja, there are requests coming from people like
Oh,
if you can sing one more song they are waiting for
I
that.
knew that. I knew that.
Ronoja, whatever you
Uh,
like. Adureddin, Judy, your upcoming Bollywood film, whatever you feel like.
I'm singing that Mon Kamone Janmodin wala song, which got really popular in Bengal and all across the globe. And the main thing about this Ritpindo film and is that I am very excited to see that people are streaming the songs, because before like there is no video existence yet. Okay, not even teaser, trailer, kuch bhi nahi hai. But it's just the audio album is released in digital platform, all digital platforms, Spotify, Ghana, Savan, and everywhere. People are streaming matlab, absolutely, like, so overwhelmingly that it crossed million plays in every platform. And people are making million views in the unofficial video they make with the songs, like with birds and rains and kind of things. So it touched so many people. I am very happy to see that, because समटाइम्स वी से ना कि म्यूजिक, लोग गाने सुनते नहीं है, लोग मतलब अच्छे गाने सुनते नहीं, जैसे साइरस ने बोला, मतलब इफ द देयर इज मेरिट इन द सॉन्ग इट विल रीच टू पीपल नो मैटर व्हाट एंड हाउ. So I'm singing that song Mon Kemone Janmodin from my upcoming feature film Ritpindo, which was supposed to be released on 24th April, but it got delayed for due to corona and everything. কেন রোদের মতো হাসলে না, আমায় ভালোবাসলে না, আমার কাছে দিন ফুরালেও আসলে না, এই মন কেমনের জন্মদিন, চুপ করে থাকা কঠিন, তোমার কাছে খরস্রোতাও গতিহীন, নতুন সকালগুলো কপালে ছুঁলো তোমারই, দূরে গেলেও এটাই সত্যি, তুমি আমারই, শুধু আমারই, রোদের মতো হাসলে না, আমায় ভালোবাসলে না, আমার কাছে দিন ফুরালেও আসলে না. জলে ভেজা চোখ মোজা, ঘুম খোঁজা বুক, নিশানাতি স্মৃতির ভিড়, এলোমেলো ঘর দোর, মেঘ আসে এলো কেসে, ছুঁয়ে দিলেই সব চুপ, সেই মেঘবালিকার গল্প হোক, শহর জুড়ে বৃষ্টি হোক, রোদ্দুর হোক আজ শুধুই তার ডাক না, পাতা ভরা শব্দ টুকরোরা, কাল বৈশাখীর মতো মুখ চোরা, সব ভিজে যাক, শুধু বেঁচে থাক অভিমান, নতুন সকালগুলো কপালে ছুঁলো তোমারই, বেঁধে রাখতে পারলে তুমিও হতে আমারই, শুধু আমারই আ আ আ
So melodious.
So melodious. You are making, defining a new meaning to a romance.
Thank you so much.
Uh, you are defining it. You are doing really good. I
I could get few
Okay.
words.
we I will translate it for you,
Yeah, yeah,
Arpita.
yeah. I will.
Now,
Yeah.
Sure, please.
just listen to the tunes, and I was like so deeply enjoying.
Of course, of course. I love Bengali songs, and nowadays, I'm listening all these
I was
songs and finding it so
I was
melodious.
seeing Cyrus.
You know,
I was seeing Cyrus was like doing this, so I think he was enjoying it. Yeah, back to you, Arpita. Go for the next question to Cyrus.
yes, 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 yes. So I was just waiting for this. So Cyrus, Shamiana Short Film Club was established in 2008, as you said. So how and what made it grow from strength to strength, and how did you achieve the feat?
I got. Hello, can you hear me, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello, you can hear me, right? According to
Yeah.
me, I think the credit for this should lie with the people. It's the love, the passion for good cinema, passion for short films. Also, one thing which we perhaps did right was we tried making short films more accessible to people physically as well. So expecting people के यार चलो मतलब यहाँ थिएटर में आएंगे इधर होगा करके so rather than that, we went to various cities, we went to different touch points. In each city, we must have done screenings. Like in a city like Bombay, I mean, I've lost count. We've probably done screenings at over like 30, 40 locations in the last, or maybe more. Actually, 30, 40 is a lesser number. In the last 12 years, we must have done like almost 100 locations, every possible nook and corner of the city that you can think of. Similarly, we've done screenings across multiple cities. So when people started seeing short films, and these were all interesting, entertaining short films. तभी तक क्या होता था कि यार शॉर्ट फिल्म का मतलब है कि बहुत कुछ इंटेलेक्चुअल बनाना है या कुछ सीरियस बनाना है या इश्यू बेस्ड बनाना है एंड आई सेड नो शॉर्ट फिल्म नीड टू बी एंटरटेनिंग लोग सिनेमा इसलिए जाते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें कुछ एंजॉय करना होता है उन्हें कुछ एक अच्छा एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए सिमिलरली अगर हम शॉर्ट फिल्म भी एंटरटेनिंग दिखा सके तो मोर पीपल आर गोइंग टू कम बहुत और लोग आएंगे एंड पीपल विल देन स्टार्ट सीइंग शॉर्ट फिल्म आल्सो एज अ मींस ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट why do you want to keep it serious why do you want to keep it like very intellectual and arty and all that kind of stuff let it be open to people so I guess that is where we went right and I think we cracked the formula. और दूसरा एक ये है कि हम जब फिल्म दिखाते हैं वी ब्रिंग फिल्म फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड और ये मैक्सिमम ज़्यादातर वो फिल्में होती हैं जो आपको ऑनलाइन या वैसे कहीं नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि आजकल पीपल थिंक अरे ये तो मैं नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख लूँगी या यूट्यूब पे देख लूँगा या जो भी है तो ये वो फिल्में होती हैं जो मतलब एक्सक्लूसिव होती हैं एंड the filmmakers license it out, and a lot of them, I repeat, a lot of them are Oscar winners, Golden Globe winners, so very celebrated films. So I guess a bunch of factors which kind of worked in our favor. Ambience was just right. You have come for a couple of our screenings, so you've seen the ambience was right. It was experiential. तो लोग सिर्फ पिक्चर देखने नहीं आते थे उनके लिए एक आउटिंग भी अच्छा हो जाता था और एक अच्छी जगह पे होता था so yeah, that is I think as I said, a combination of factors which just went in our favor.
Okay, okay. So, Cyrus, I would like to know, I mean, and even viewers like to know, what is contemporary short film and how does it relate to the audience nowadays?
I don't know what you mean by contemporary short films. I could say कि आज की तारीख में जो short film scene है, in fact some of the finer cinema जो हम अच्छा सिनेमा कहते हैं जिसकी हम बात करें तो कुछ दिन पहले वो शॉर्ट फिल्म में बहुत देखने को मिल रहा है वहाँ पे जेन्युइन टैलेंट जो किसी बंदिश में नहीं है, किसी दूसरे इंसान का या दूसरे कॉरपोरेशन का मोहताज नहीं है। बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो एक अच्छी फिल्में बना रहे हैं एंड दे आर पुटिंग इट आउट इन द यूनिवर्स। So I mean, obviously, so is the rest of the world. बाकी भी लोग बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बना रहे हैं, बट खास करके पिछले 1-2 सालों में जो शॉर्ट फिल्म की क्वालिटीज मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ, इट्स रियली वेरी गुड। Yes, there's a lot of room for improvement. Yes, there's a lot of scope जहाँ हम और अच्छी फिल्में बनाएंगे, but they're good. And when I'm saying good, they're good technically and they are good content wise. तो ये नहीं कि टेक्निक अच्छा हो गया और कंटेंट बोरिंग है या वाइस वर्सा। दे आर गुड इन बोथ द केस। सो आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट एंड दैट्स व्हाई
Yeah,
आई
so it is as good as a feature film.
yes, and that's what I'm saying. I feel bad for a lot of these people because unfortunately फिर इनको जाके किसी बड़े फिल्म मेकर को एक्चुअली में मतलब जो भी क्या बोलूँ, फिर उसके यहाँ पे छोटे मोटे असिस्टेंट का काम करना पड़ता है। तो आई डोंट नो, मतलब it's a battle for talent. वो देख के मतलब my heart really pains when I see these good filmmakers go out या फिर कुछ एक आध वेब शो कर लेंगे, कहीं असिस्टेंट का काम कर लेंगे। I don't know. But yeah, as far as the quality of cinema is concerned, it is getting better. It is getting better, no doubt about that.
साइरस साहब, एक लाइक क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास जो हम सोच रहे हैं कि बोलूं या ना बोलूं, पर देर आई एम सीइंग लाइक देर आर सो मेनी बिग स्टार्स, बिग सेलिब्रिटी बॉलीवुड मूवी स्टार्स, वो आप आजकल शॉर्ट फिल्म में आ रहा है, एक्टिंग कर रहा है। तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द ग्रोइंग पॉपुलैरिटी ऑफ द शॉर्ट फिल्म्स?
I think it's a great trend. देखिए शॉर्ट फिल्म का एडवांटेज ये है दैट इट इज there is no limit because you don't have to release it in a cinema screen. तो आपको ये नहीं है कि आपके पास 52 वीकेंड है तो आप पूरे साल में सिर्फ 200 या 300 हिंदी फिल्म ही बना सकते हैं और रिलीज कर सकते हैं। So I think it's a good trend as long as the economics makes sense. Sometimes it becomes a challenge because इतनी सारी फिल्में बन रही हैं कि अगर आपकी फिल्म को थोड़ा सा माइलेज या विजिबिलिटी चाहिए, तो अगर आपके पास एक फेस होता है, एक फेमस फेस होता है, तो इट बिकम्स इजियर टू ब्रेक द क्लटर। बट हैविंग सेड दैट, पिछले 1 साल में मैंने जो शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी है और जो बहुत अच्छी शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी है, that actually doesn't have the so-called star value. They are good faces, they are recognizable faces, but they are not your like your A-list stars or like film stars or something. They are like good good actors, popular actors, not stars, popular actors. I think it's a good trend, and I think there's room for everyone. And I have a lot of respect for film actors, sir, mind you. My only battle is towards, as Ranaja said, favoritism and nepotism. जब अच्छे टैलेंट को आप दबाते हो ताकि अच्छे आदमी को चांस न मिले, that is what my battle is. So that is what I'm speaking up against.
Cyrus, thank you so much. There are so many informations, inputs we are having. A lot we are learning about this industry. Personally, I really had a very limited idea about the short film. Now that you are here, you giving us so much inputs. I'm sure it is enlightening me, and I'd love to watch more and more. Probably, I look for Cyrus Dastu's short film, upcoming short films. I'm going back to Ranajay. Ranajay, from Preme Pora Barun, the song Preme Pora Barun from the movie Sweater, he won the Telecine Awards in 2019 for the best lyricist and best vocalist. How do you feel about this achievement?
It's very good. Best vocalist for female लग्नजिता को मिला था for this song प्रेम पड़ा बारोन, and best lyricist I got the award, and it's very good. It I get motivated from this. Can you hear me? Okay. I get motivated, and it's very inspiring to get recognitions. And more inspiring, more motivating is when I see that my songs are like being performed, being sung by people from age of 2 to age of 80. So this huge audience span, ये देख के मुझे उतना जितना मजा आता है, I feel so happy, उतना that is the best award I can get, because इससे बड़ा award कुछ नहीं हो सकता है कि people are relating to my music so personally, so emotionally, ये connect कर रहा है लोग, तो that is very satisfying.
Arpita, you have anything to say? Unmute yourself, Arpita. Arpita, unmute. Unmute. Okay, I will ask the question. Arpita is still in mute mode. Uh, you are in mute mode.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah. So, what do you have to say about what Ranuja said?
I would like to ask, because that's in my mind. So I just want to ask you, Rana Joy, how did you change your career path and living, comfortable lifestyle? And I'm sure this struggle must be, must have been the to start new journey. But then, how did this Adure Din this happened?
That journeys तो मैंने बताया कि it's very very interesting, and
Huh.
Aduruddin happened. Aduruddin has a story, backstory. Every song has a backstory. Every
Uh-huh.
song. Aduruddin का backstory ये था कि Aduruddin, the song I have made in 2013
Acha.
for some other purpose.
Acha.
Then I was into corporate job. 2012 12 end. So
Oh.
then I was into corporate job, and then I just made it and I just kept it aside. And then after when the film Sweater was being planned, so at that time I played the song to the producers, and they loved it so much. I just played on piano. They loved it so much that they said कि this song will be the first song of Sweater. मतलब this is locked, because there is no alternative. So then Aduruddin has different lyrics at that time when I made it, but then I changed the lyrics and made it Aduruddin. Back then it was like a bit different lyrics. Then
Okay.
I changed the lyrics for the film's perspective according to the film situation and all. Tune is same, and
Mhm.
then I made Aduruddin.
Wow.
এটা বলার পরে রণজয় আদুরে দিন শুনবো না সেটা কি হয়?
Okay. তুমি হয়তো বহু দূর, তবু তোমার কথার সুর দেখো বাজছে আমার বেসুরো জীবনে। তুমি কোথায় নিরুদ্দেশ, তবু তোমায় ছোঁয়ার রেশ আমার একলা জীবন মুহূর্তরা জানে। আজ রাত্রি যখন আসে এই জীবন খানিক হাসে, বলে পারলি না তো ছুতে তুই আর একটা দিন। আজও স্বপ্নে তোমায় খুঁজি, বড় আশায় দু চোখ বুঝি, ভাবি নামবে দু চোখ জুড়ে সেই আদুরে দিন। আহা লা 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 লা। इतना ही रहते।
অসম্ভব ভালো। This say this is
Thank
I
you.
keep getting so much messages in between, like request to Ranajay to sing this and that. I am sure the millions of viewers
अरिजीत, I'm sure शो खत्म होने के बाद भी रिक्वेस्ट आते रहेंगे
I just keep browsing it in my phone. अभी
बहुत ही
बहुत ही खूबसूरत,
बिल्कुल।
Thank
definitely
you.
we are enjoying. I'm sure the and all the viewers of nrbnews24.com, they are enjoying our show. Arpita, now that we would like to hear from Cyrus, like the digital platform is in the center of attention. What do you think it will have an impact in the upcoming years? How, Cyrus, did you get my question?
Yeah. So can you repeat the last one? How will the
I said
digital
that now
media
the
impact
digital
the upcoming
platform,
audience?
that the digital platform is now the center stage. It's the center of attraction, and many people are getting connected. The many webinars, the music conferences, the music meets are all happening through the digital platform. So, how do you see this is coming up in the upcoming years? Do you think like this is going to sustain in the long time?
Uh, if you're asking me about the growth of digital platform, then is it going to be like this in the years to come? Is that, if I'm understanding your
Yes, yes, yes,
question well?
yes.
I would say yes. The world, yeah, I would say yes. The world is definitely, sir, whether we like it or not. And I'm not just talking about India. I think this is a black swan event. What we are seeing right now, the whole world is set for a change. The whole world is set for a shift. And I think what we are witnessing right now is definitely going to change the way we consume practically everything, whether it is education, whether it is recreation, whether it is lifestyle, or for that matter, whether it is entertainment. So I honestly feel that yes, things are set for a change. Digital platforms are here to stay, are here to grow. Uh, Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, yeah. We can hear you.
Yeah. So I would say that digital platforms are surely here to stay. Only thing is they need to, the whole business needs to make a little more viable sense. But I guess that hopefully, as they say, water finds its level. It will also find its level at some point. Hello?
Cyrus, your voice is lagging.
Hello? Hello?
I think your voice is lagging, so we will go back to Arpita will go back to Ranuja because his voice is lagging. Uh, Ranuja, the album, this your album, the audio album of Ritpindo, especially the song which is Hang Mon Kamone Janmodin, has already got huge appreciation from the listeners. Your three released independent Bengali original series named Shohorer Gan, Boshanto Ra Ashe, and Prithvi Chal, all of them are hugely appreciated. What is there in your music that the people are connecting so much with your lyrics?
I think it's very organic. The song Fir Bhi Chal I made last year before Durga Puja, and it says about returning back to home for the people like us who stay away from home in some other city or in some other country. Firbichol is all about that emotion to going back home during Durga Puja for Durga Puja, because it's a call of our mother. It's like going back to our mother. So this emotion is very organic and very spontaneous. This happens to everyone, I think, and this is the reason behind like people connected to this song so much, because it's very common for everyone. And same happened for Shohorer Gan. Shohorer Gan was my first single, which I released in 2017 December. I stay in Bombay, but I miss Kolkata very much. Every time, always I keep missing Kolkata. When I stay in Bombay, I keep uh, miss karte karte. I write something. I keep making songs. So that is also very organic emotion. And Boshantora Ashe is a love song. It speaks about love during the spring.
Ankit, can you just mute your mic? Yeah.
So
Yeah, yeah.
but Basanta Rashi is also very emotional song. It's a very sweet love song. It's a pure love song. So uh, generally people connect to honest emotions. I have seen that. So if your emotion while you are creating something, if your emotion, if the emotion of the creator is honest, then people will definitely relate to that emotion, I believe. So that's the reason, I think.
I agree. I agree with this, as I also write. So
Yeah.
even sometimes happened with me, Aripit. I have written something with my emotions, and after some time, I'll find it like, oh, this was nothing. I mean, this was normal. कुछ भी नहीं था ये. But people relate so much कि वो मुझे आके कहते हैं कि इतना अच्छा कैसे लिखा, and मेरे लिए वो इतना अच्छा नहीं
Absolutely.
होता कई बार. It's
Absolutely.
just that
Absolutely.
emotion, वो उस
Absolutely.
मोमेंट पे जो इमोशन आपका निकल के आता है. I
Absolutely.
agree.
রণজয়, when we are talking about কলকাতা, আমি তো কলকাতার ব্যাপারে না বলে পারবো না, বিকজ যেরকম তুমি মিস করো বম্বেতে থেকে কলকাতা, আমি এখানে গেল ডিকেড ওভার, আই মিস ইট এভরি ডে। তো সেই জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে, ইয়েস, গোয়িং ব্যাক টু আ মাদারল্যান্ড, আই ওয়েট ফর দ্যাট টাইম অ্যান্ড দ্য মোমেন্ট। একটা ট্রিপ থেকে ঘুরে আসলেই মনে হয় পরের ট্রিপটা কবে হবে। ওয়াজ ইট টু?
Exactly.
সো সেই জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে আজকে তোমার এই সং দ্যাট কানেক্টস উইথ মি সো মাচ, আমি তোমাকে এই গানটা না করে তো ছেড়ে দিতে পারবো না। সো দ্যাট সং ফর মি।
So फिर भी चल I am singing. মন কাটা ঘুড়ি হয়ে যায়, সব সুতো ছিঁড়ে যায়, দেখা গেলে শিকড় টানে তো কেউ রোজ, আবাহনীর খোঁজ তুই বেরিয়ে পড়। কানে কানে জানান দিচ্ছে রোজকার এই পিছুটান, মাটি আমার ডাক পাঠাচ্ছে আর গাইছে এই গান। আকাশ বলছে মেঘের কথা, কাশের গন্ধ মাখবি চল, ঘরে ফেরা সময় হলো, মায়ের কোলে ফিরবি চল। আকাশ বলছে রোদের কথা, মাটির গন্ধ মাখবি চল, ঘরে ফেরার সময় হলো, মায়ের আঁচল ধরবি চল। ও, ফিরবি চল।
মায়ের কোলে ফিরবি চল, এই কথাটা আজকে, এই সং এবং তার সাথে রিলেটেড ইচ ওয়ার্ডস, ইট ইজ টাচিং মাই হার্ট। আমার শুনতে শুনতে সত্যিই মনে হচ্ছিল মায়ের কাছে ফিরবো কবে, এবং
I,
ফিরবি
I
চল।
I would love to, love you to see the music video also. It's there in YouTube. Fir bhi
ওকে,
chal. Yeah,
ওকে,
it's
ওয়ান্ডারফুল। অর্পিতা, আই থিঙ্ক
Yeah, he's there.
Cyrus is
Yeah.
here. So ask the next question to
Yeah,
Cyrus.
yeah, yeah. So I was just,
My net,
yeah.
my
What's
network
happening with
is.
your?
I
Okay,
think my
so
network
I
doesn't like.
have this question for you now. Before your network, disturbs us. So you co-produced a youthful musical comedy, which was released pan-India across 900 theaters, with songs from all the big singers in the industry. So tell us about that.
For me, music has always been a very important part of everything I do. I'm not as gifted as Ranajoy or all the other singers around me, but I've always enjoyed music. I've always liked music. I've always liked creating music in my own little way. So even when we did a play or even when we did any kind of production, I was always very keen that we do good music. So when we were doing this film, I was pretty hands-on with the creation of the music, and I mean, I was very lucky that there were some very talented new music creators that we collaborated with, and I guess I was very happy with the kind of music that we got out for the film. Hello, Arpita, can you hear me? Hello, Arpita, can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Arijit,
we
can you hear
can.
me?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So I'm saying that I was very lucky to be able to work with this kind of talent, and I mean, I'm glad that people like the music. For those of y'all who don't know, y'all can always go to YouTube and listen to the song. The name of the film is Sweetie Weds NRI. Hello,
Yes.
Arpita.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, we are, but sometimes I think
So
you're
yeah.
having a time lag. You are getting disconnected. So again, I would have to go back to Ranajoy. Ranajoy, now that you also composed and sung for the 42nd Kolkata International Book Fair, can you tell something about that to our viewers?
it was an honor to compose music for the world's largest book fair, that Kolkata International Book Fair, and it was the theme song. So that the important thing about that song is, then at that year, it's 2000, it was 2020, 2018. So at that year, the theme was in Kolkata Boi Mela. Every year they have a theme. So that year the theme was France. So country theme. Every year they have a country theme. So that year
Okay.
the theme was France. So I thought, and I had to make a song which gives the essence of the European style, the French sound and all. So I was thinking how I should incorporate the French connection and French flavor and European touch to the song. Then I thought, what is Boimela called in, what is book fair called in French? So I got to know that it's called Foyer de Live. So
Okay.
Foyer de Live, this phrase I used in the song,
Okay.
in the hook line, and I arranged it in a certain European style with acoustic guitars, accordion, and all. So it's also there in YouTube. You can find it. 42nd Kolkata International Book Fair theme. So that French connection I made that way, and the song was very well appreciated by people.
আমরা কি শুনতে পারি রণজয়ের কাছ থেকে সেই songটা?
Okay, okay. Two line I'll sing.
Yeah,
Mm.
just give it a break.
We won't, let you just speak. We are really
Mm.
around.
Wonderful musician. How can we go
Of
like
course,
that
we
after
are so
listening
much into this.
গোটা পৃথিবীকে পড়তে পারো কলকাতা বই মেলায়, বলো আজ উড়বে নাকি বইয়ের ডানায় ডানায়। গোটা পৃথিবীকে পড়তে পারো কলকাতা বই মেলায়, বলো আজ উড়বে নাকি বইয়ের ডানায় ডানায়। ভিনদেশি এক হাসি কবিতায় তোমার বুকে খেলছে সুখে বই মেলায়। ফয়াদ লিবে প্যারিসের বই কথা, ফয়াদ লিবে আজ বিশ্ব বাংলার কথা। ফয়াদ লিবে প্যারিসের বই কথা, ফয়াদ লিবে আজ বই মেলা কলকাতা। Like this.
here. I just can't like thank you enough.
Of
Be so
course.
patient to like address to all my requests, and such a humble and a nice human being in you. So
আরে
I
থ্যাংক ইউ।
না আমি খুবই মানে এরকম ভাবে
And
রিকোয়েস্ট
you're
করব।
disturbing him a lot, Arijit, and I'm with you.
No problem, no problem.
So, so here now, Cyrus, you are back. We are not getting you that way, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm telling you, the
so
internet gods don't like me. The
Yeah.
internet
no,
gods don't like me.
But Cyrus, you're missing a lot, I guess. And between when Radhaja is there, he's singing.
yeah,
Oh yeah,
whenever
no, no,
you
I'm enjoying the song. I'm enjoying the song, and I think the audience is enjoying it every time I go missing, and they get to hear this beautiful man singing this beautiful song. So I think the internet also is enjoying the music and the songs as much as all of us are. So yeah, I'm sure the audience is like enjoying my disappearing act. But
so,
sorry, yeah,
so
Arpita, sorry, back to your question.
yeah, please continue, Cyrus.
Yeah. So so as I was saying that it was a pleasure to collaborate with so much talent. In fact, a lot of them were new talent. We had, some of the biggest singers, including Palak Muchal and Atif Aslam, Arijit Singh, etc., etc. But there was just so much of new talent when it came to when it came to music composers and music creators and songwriters and so on and so forth. And I mean, let me not tell you whether how good or bad it is. Let people go listen to it on YouTube and let people be the judge. But I can be very confidently tell you that people really enjoyed the music, and that's a feature that I'm very very proud of, and I'll always be proud of the fact that I had a sizable contribution. I'm not saying I was the only one responsible, but I had a sizable contribution in creating the music of my film.
Wow, that's great. I mean,
Thank you.
honestly I didn't know that, but that's an interesting part. So,
Thank you.
Cyrus, a theater
Amita,
personality.
on that, I would
Yeah.
like to add something. Now that just before what he said about this, the video, the audio thing about that, but before that, when he said about Ranaja, I would certainly add one thing. He is such a humble person. Like even though he's getting disappeared, but he's enjoying the music, and he openly said that God has this wants to listen Ranaja as well. So that speaks
Arijit, we are
so
blessed to have
beautifully.
great.
Yes, we are blessed to
Yes,
have these two gentlemen who are
yes,
so humble and modest, and
I know.
it's a nice feeling. And I thank you, Cyrus and Ronajoy, for being so so nice and humble and talking to us so freely about your feelings. So yes, I would just go back to you, Arpita, for the next question.
Yeah, I was so I was asking you, a theater personality, you. So you have also produced and acted in various productions, including when God said "Cheers" with the late Tom Alter and Anurag Kashyap, and has opened his new
Correct.
production, "Strangers in the Night." Right? So, which was an English musical play set in 60s. So, what inspired you into this?
Correct. 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 So I will just tell you when God Said Cheers actually is, I don't know what to say, it's a part of theatre folklore now in India because that is a play that ran for 14 years non-stop. 14 years from 2003 to 2017. The only reason why it we stopped doing shows, I hope we can come back with shows, but the only reason why we stopped doing shows in 2017 was because my dearest friend and my mentor, or whatever you say, like a father figure, Tom Alter Sahab. I'm sure you all must have met him or had an interaction with him perhaps at some point in life. One of the nicest human beings that I've met. Tom Alter Sahab passed away in September 2017. So that was the only reason. In fact, we had a bunch of shows lined up in October, November, December, January. But yeah, I mean, God had other plans. I always say that maybe Tom Saab is saying cheers to God and he's in a much better place. And after that, there were a lot of people who kept saying that, oh, you should revive when God said cheers. And if you ask me, Arpita, I think that would be the best tribute that I could pay to Tom Saab. But पता नहीं यार मतलब थोड़ा दिल नहीं है because Tom Saab is like a father figure. He's been a part of my life. 14 साल बहुत लंबा अरसा होता है. 14 साल में तो लोग उम्र कैद काट देते हैं. मैंने तो टॉम साहब के साथ और पूरी टीम के साथ, नॉट जस्ट टॉम साहब, there is a team also of Vikrant Sakhalkar. He's like a brother for me, like family again, who's my co-actor. Auxilia Sikwara, who used to be a singer, who used to catch, she's still there, but she used to be a part of our play. तो हम 4 लोगों का एक छोटा सा परिवार था, and we've done over 400-500 shows in different parts of the country, even overseas. तो वो तो एक अलग ही किस्सा है. मतलब I can do like uh, like 24-hour shows talking about the production, and still not have enough time. Strangers in the Night actually came out of my pure love. It was my pure love for theater, pure love for music, pure love for entertainment. That is a production that is based on the songs of Frank Sinatra and Elvis Presley. So that is why it's called Strangers in the Night. It's a love story that has been scripted by me. It's been directed by a very dear friend, Shreyas Pardiwala, whom you are going to be also having on your show, I think, in the next couple of days. So it's been directed by Shreyas. And Touchwood, the show is again turned out to be a monster hit. It went on, and we used to sell out 2 to 3 weeks in advance, and that was pretty much a record out here by Indian थिएटर स्टैंडर्ड्स. ये सारी चीजें आप ब्रॉडवे और वेस्ट एंड में सुनते होंगे, लेकिन इन बॉम्बे ऐसी चीजें मतलब बहुत कम होती है. शायद होती है, लेकिन बहुत कम होती है. We were all set to perform in Mauritius in the month of June and July, but as I again said, God has different plans. So वो तो खैर we'll do it, God willing, inshallah,
Yeah,
at some
of course.
point, when the world does allow us and when nature does allow us, we'll do it. Uske baad we did another show called another musical production. So Strangers in the Night is also still going on. We were coming back with a season 2 in May. तो मई में काफी shows lined up थे बॉम्बे में और बाहर भी. But as I said, it all just kind of is on a hold. And we did another production called The Name is Bond. As the name suggests, it is based on the songs of the films of James Bond, right from Doctor No to Spectre. So Doctor No was the first film. Spectre was the most recent film. अभी तो नई फिल्म आ रही है उसकी, No Time to Die. But Doctor No से लेकर Spectre तक 25 या 26 फिल्में रही हैं. So we are doing. It's a tribute show to the Bond music. The music that has been a part of Bond films. And that's also been a spectacular show. We've done some amazing shows across all over the country. Houseful, sold out shows. The last show that we did was in Kala Ghoda Festival, and we were supposed to do an all India tour because Bond was supposed to release in April. आपको पता होगा, the new Bond film was supposed to release in April, so we were supposed to do a
Yeah.
tour from March to May. But as I said, दुनिया को इस बार, this time even James Bond could not save the world.
True,
So
true.
it's okay. I mean, I'm sure Ranajoy must also be having equal stories of films and projects that are on hold because of Corona. Everyone is in the same boat. Everyone is in the same boat.
On
So
this, Cyrus, now that yes, you said about the projects, everything is on hold. What are the upcoming projects you have? I'd like to ask both of you
uh,
the same question. What are your upcoming project plans you have outlined during this phase of
uh,
pandemic?
sir, right now the focus is on doing online education because since everyone is work from home and since online, digital, etc. is the most is like the in thing right now. So we have been doing online educational courses because Shamina has also been very active in education. तो हम काफी ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन कोर्सेज कर रहे हैं. There is a web show that we are in talks for, but again, sir, I mean, anything that requires you to go out and work is all very dicey because यहाँ पे बात तो चल रही है कि भैया ठीक है सितंबर में अक्टूबर में शूट करेंगे, but just today morning I was hearing that there is a second wave that is happening in Europe and in China. ऐसा मेरे सुनने में आया है. And I'm not surprised because that's how pandemics work. That's how these kind of problems work. So मतलब I it's all up in the air, sir. It's all up in the air. Because मैं आपको अपना एक पर्सनल बात बताता हूँ. We were all set for Mauritius. Hotels book हो गए थे, सारी चीजें हो गई थी. And just this was in March I'm talking. And then this news came, and everything was on a standstill. We were supposed to do another production in mid-June. This was a biopic on Swami Paramahansa not Vivekanand, but Paramahansa, Yogi Paramahansa. उन पे बायोपिक करने वाले थे एज ए थिएट्रिकल प्रोडक्शन. सारी चीजें बुक हो गई थी. ऑल एडवांसेस वर पेड. अगेन मतलब as I said, God had other
Remember I
plans.
told you about my incidents also. Like we were planning, I and my team. So I have created one poets team here in Nashville also. So those all are Hindi poets. तो ग्रुप का नाम है अहले आदाब. तो हम
हाँ
लोगों
जी,
ने
हाँ जी.
एक इवेंट यहाँ पे रखा था जिसमें सुखन करके एक ग्रुप है. They are from Pune and they perform in Rekhta, and internationally they
अरे
have
वाह.
traveled a lot in US, UK. They have performed. So उन लोगों का डेट, होटल, वेन्यू सब कुछ हो गया था, बुक हो गया था. And in April 4th was the date, and you know,
हाँ.
so we had to.
वी मस्ट नॉट नो, ये तो टेम्पररी फेज है, ये निकल जाएगा और वैक्सीन के लिए हम लोग सब वेट कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर क्वाइट ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. Just a phase, maybe we the God was willing to have introduced us Cyrus and Ronojoy, so we can have them a grand welcome in Nashville and Memphis. The
Yes,
city of
yes.
the city of Elvis is calling you. The Nashville Music City is calling you. So probably this is the time. So be optimistic, and I'd like to
हो
have
गया था
this.
and then it goes for a toss.
Yeah, but
In this
Arpita,
pandemic, we have, I have learned a lot from Cyrus.
so I would like open to the same question, like about the upcoming plans from Ronojoy.
Actually, I came
Oh,
here in
oh, oh, oh.
ac- actually, can you hear me?
Yeah, as they say, मुद्दई लाख बुरा
Okay.
चाहे, क्या होता है वही होता है जो
Actually,
मंजूर खुदा होता है. So ये हम बचपन में सुना करते थे. Now we are seeing it in action.
actually, I came here in Kolkata for my next film's recordings in March. And I came here for 15-20 days. I was supposed to go back to Bombay, but I couldn't. I have been working in 3 other films, and I am working on a web series also. I'm working on some work from Bombay with. I'm working on an independent song also with Niti Mohan and all, and some other projects are also. I'm working on advertisement. Parallelly, my independent music also I am doing a bit with my independent projects and all. So as a solo artist, I have my band. So I'm planning to have a digital
Wow,
virtual concert also with my band. अभी तो
digital हो रहा है,
सब
I
shows and
guess.
all digitally हो रहा है. तो हाँ, तो I'm planning a lot of things because plan तो करना चाहिए, नहीं तो
Of course.
we'll all are depressed. So, and I am working on a few projects also. So let's see when and how it happens.
Thank you, Cyrus and Ranaja. We are like almost 1.5 hours into our. So I know it's like too
Yeah, yeah.
long, but we are really enjoying the show. And
And we
thank
can
you
feel
for.
like it's been 1.5 hours.
It's been 1.5 hours. Can you
Yeah, we
imagine? Like it just went like that. And
yeah.
thank you, Ranaja and Cyrus, for
Yeah.
accepting our invitation and
Thank you so much.
coming to our show, gladly accepting, and has been addressing to all the questions and my requests to you, Ranaja. Uh, being
Thank you.
so
Thank you. No
patient. So
problem.
I would like to ask, like, is there any special message would you both like to send out to our viewers across the globe during the COVID, pre-COVID and post-COVID, the how the situations have changed and going to change more, and what would be in the showbiz industry? So any kind of message you'd like to send out to them?
Me or Cyrus? You are
Both
Both.
of them. Both.
okay. So I want to say that people are like in today's world, people are people are suffering. There are so much sadness, so much negativity. So I always believe that we should concentrate on the positive side. We should be hopeful, and we should wait for the better time. And I want to say okay, we should invest our energy, we should invest our thought process into creative things, be it writing, be it creating music, be it reading books, everything, whatever creative it is. And because we don't have any other option now. We should only wait. And if during this time, if we get too much negativity, too much depressed, it will hamper our peace of mind. So I personally want to say ke, be positive and stay hopeful and stay creative, because only creativity can help you in this situation.
No,
That's
no,
it.
I fully agree. I fully agree. I just like to add one thing. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
I
Absolutely.
Yes,
just
we
like
can.
to add one thing is that when there's this old saying that when the going gets tough, the tough get going. So this is the time to
Exactly.
reinvent yourself, and sometimes, hello, this is some noise in the
Yes.
background.
Arijit, your
This is
yeah.
as they say, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. So I think you one has to reinvent oneself. One has to adapt to changing times and situations. I think that is the best way to fight crisis. Because as Ranajay rightly said, either you can sit at home and be depressed कि यार life पे तो मतलब सब खत्म हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, which is very natural,
True.
and it's not
Yeah.
wrong because we are facing a crisis, and who knows, this might probably get more challenging in the times to come. But should we just sit at home and keep whining and complaining and be negative and cynical? No, I think it's important to kind of think and say, यार देखो, या तो मैं जीऊंगा या मरूंगा. अगर मरना नहीं है और जिंदा रहना है, तो you will have to fight your way and you have to reinvent yourself. Varna, you can't sit at home and be depressed because the depression will kill you, sir. And we are seeing that happening. There's so many unfortunate, beautiful people who are losing the battle to depression. I wish nobody out here who's listening to us over here. I wish nobody, nobody loses that battle, because ये ऐसी जंग है जो पता ही नहीं चलता. You could be smiling right now, but you could be still fighting the most difficult battle inside you. And you can win the battle with everybody, but you can't fight your own self. तो आई थिंक ये एक पॉजिटिविटी रखना है. इट्स इजियर सेड देन डन. इट्स इजियर सेड देन डन. ज्ञान देना बहुत आसान है, पॉजिटिव बनना बहुत मुश्किल है. आप कुछ भी बन सकते हो, लेकिन आप अपने मन को जीतना बहुत मुश्किल है, सर. तो आई थिंक इफ यू कैन जस्ट बी स्ट्रांग, मेंटली स्ट्रांग. आई एम श्योर वी ऑल. मैं झूठा दिलासा तो नहीं देना चाहता, बट या ऑल आई कैन से इज बी मेंटली स्ट्रांग. यार, वी आर ऑल इन इट टुगेदर. And sir, before we are asked to leave by you, I would like to request our brother Ranajoy, अगर वो मेरी एक गुजारिश पूरी कर सके, क्योंकि we are all passing by a time where it is good to be stoic. So there is one song that I sing, but since I'm not a good singer, I'm not going to trouble your audiences with that. I would love Ranajoy if he sings that. There is a song which fits the situation, and that is Ke Sara Sara.
Wow, that's a wonderful one. Yeah, you said my word. So thank you, Cyrus. Ronojoy, over to you.
सर,
From
मैंने आपके
K Sera
मन
Sera from Pukar.
मैंने आपके
Yes, yes,
मन
yes. I get.
No, no, no. No, no, no. के सरा सरा the whatever will be will be.
Which song? You just sing, na? I'm
Yeah,
playing the
no, no.
piano with you.
It is no. Arijit sir, would you know the song? Because I'm a bad singer.
I don't know the lyrics, but it's been on air most of the time these
Okay, so
days.
so the Hindi version was in a Pukar movie, right? जो भी
Uh,
हो सो हो, माधुरी दीक्षित actor, right?
K Sara Sara.
This song goes ke sara sara, whatever will be. The
Yeah.
future's not asked to see ke sara sara.
Yeah, that the lyrics is just
Arpita,
translated in Hindi and
yeah.
used in a Hindi film called Pukar.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Arpita, you should sing.
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, sorry, jokes apart. I'm just joking. Yeah,
Yes.
Cyrus,
All
you
yours,
sing,
all
na?
yours.
You sing the song because I know
Sure.
the Hindi
No,
one.
I
It
am.
would be treat for
No,
us
no,
if
that's okay.
Cyrus
You
It
can
will
sings
be
sing
great
the
for us, Cyrus, if you can just do that, and we will have a like.
Sir, even I don't remember the lyrics, but
But it's okay.
if you just give me 1 minute, I can just
Yeah,
Yeah, please.
yeah. Please,
if you
please.
just give me 1 minute, I can read the lyrics
Uh,
and I can just kind of yeah.
Commit, and then
So
Ranaja will take it from there.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So Arijit Saab, even you have to give me company. Ranaja, even you have to give me company. तभी
Yeah,
मतलब
I
ये
don't
हो
know the
सकता है.
Hindi, English one. You just sing, I will
Yeah,
play.
Okay,
Definitely.
K. Sara, Sara.
yeah. Arijit Saab, you know the song, right?
I know the song, but I don't know the lyrics. I know the song because it's in
You
the
can just
like
Google the
social
lyrics.
networking these days so much.
You can Google the lyrics and we can sing together. Yeah, so we'll start.
Yeah, you start. You start. K. Sara, Sara.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. Yes, that is an abridged version of the song. It's a longer song. But yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Nice, nice,
Superb.
very nice.
And
Super,
you know,
super.
like
Nowhere close
that
to
Cyrus
Naranaja.
Are,
really, and Ranaja played it. It was like really a treat to our ears.
Sweet
Thank
to
you.
us. Sweet to our ears. It was so
I, I,
nice.
I hope the audiences say the same.
Of
yeah,
course,
it's very nice. It's very nice.
I
It
wanted to record this session. This particular
Hi,
part.
hi.
it
Thank
was
you, thank you,
amazing.
thank you.
So now that this session is going on, we'd not love to leave you guys, but there is a constraint. We have to end the show. We have to
Yes,
wrap
That's
this
the
up.
yes,
sad part
yes.
of the show every week for me.
So I'd like to have Arpita like wrap up the show, and from before you do that, from the bottom of my heart, my heartfelt thanks to you both, Cyrus and Ranajay, for having with us tonight. It's a great pleasure,
And thank you
and
so much,
whatever
Cyrus
you
and
ask,
Ranaja,
Arpita,
to accept our request to come
yeah,
here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure for me. Absolutely. Thank you so much.
and
बहुत मजा
Arpita,
आया.
before you wrap up, if you can ask Ranajay to wrap up with a song.
Wrap up song.
I would
Wrap up
let you
song.
go.
On the
I would
Mohabbat
say.
Lok, I was listening to that Mohabbat Lok. So, can we hear that before when we wrap up?
That song, I'm singing some other song.
Okay,
Okay.
fine, fine.
I'm singing a song which is relevant to this situation. आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
Perfect ending, perfect ending.
Perfect ending.
Loved it.
And we sincerely want you guys to come when the pandemic is over, and we would like
Yes,
to
yes.
have
It will be a
you
pleasure.
over here.
Would love to go.
It will be a pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
If
Thank you.
Cyrus and Ranaja, if you want to say a few words, that's fine. Otherwise, I'll pass on to Arpita.
No, it's I absolutely enjoyed the session, and you people are so welcoming, so cordial, everyone of you. I would like to thank everyone, both Cyrus, Arijita, and Arpita, and thank you for having me. Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'd like to thank Arpita for being kind enough to reach out to me. Arijit, thank you for having me, and it's a pleasure and an honor. I can only hope that the audiences have enjoyed as much as I have been enjoyed in the show. And thank you, Ranajoy. It's been such a treat, such an honor,
Thank you so much.
such an honor to be there with you on the show.
Same
Thank
here,
you.
same
Thank you.
here,
Much
same
love
here.
to all three of you. Stay safe,
Much love.
Thank
stay
you so
happy,
much.
and stay
Stay
healthy,
safe.
sir.
Thank
Exactly.
you so much. And from NRB News 24, I and Arijit would like to say you goodbye, all the viewers. But before saying goodbye, I would like to request you to go to the page nrbnews24.com FB page, post your comments and like the show. Yeah, thank you so much. And
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye,
Thank you
bye.
so
Stay
much.
safe.
Bye bye. Stay
You
safe.
too.
Yeah.
Stay
Thank
safe.
you.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.